अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूं शाहिद रमज़ान स्टेनोग्राफ़र और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल प्रोफेशनल स्टेनोग्राफ़ी। आज मैं आपको सिविल डिक्टेशन डिक्टेट करवाने जा रहा हूं। तो डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, लाइक कर दें और बेल आइकॉन को ऑल पर प्रेस कर दें ताकि मैं जो भी वीडियोज़ अपलोड करूँ उसका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके। रेडी, 3, 2, 1 start. The petitioner means that respondents number 2 and 3 have to prove their stand, failing which they shall suffer the consequences, full stop. Similarly, the petitioner shall have to prove his stand independent of that evidence which he shall be adducing in the ejectment proceedings, full stop. Again, it is fact that both these proceedings are to be conducted by the different forums, as rent proceedings are to be adjudication upon by a rent controller, whereas suit for specific performance is to be decided by a civil court, full stop, new para. It may also be mentioned here that if the proposition propounded by the petitioner is accepted, then it will be very easy and convenient for a tenant to prolong such ejectment proceedings by filing such flimsy suit, full stop. The question about genuineness or otherwise of said sale agreement is obviously dependent upon final determination by civil court of competent jurisdiction, full stop. At this stage, the validity of sale agreement relied upon by the petitioner tenant is vigorously challenged by respondents number 2 and 3 landlords, full stop. Therefore, till the time that petitioner is able to establish his claim for specific performance on the basis of alleged agreement, respondents landlords would continue to enjoy the status of being owner and landlords of the premises, full stop. Relationship between the parties till such time would be regulated by the terms of tenancy, full stop. Under similar circumstances, the apex court has held in Musammat Aziman Nisa Begum versus Ali Muhammad PLD 1990, Supreme Court 382, that ejectment proceedings could not be resisted by taking shelter under section 53A of the Transfer of Property Act, full stop. Relevant observations read as under semicolon. For the foregoing reasons, I am unable to subscribe to the conclusions arrived at by the learned single judge and hold that the respondent was not entitled to protect his possession and resist ejectment under the provisions of section 53A of the Transfer of Property Act, and the relationship of landlord and tenant continued to exist between the parties even after the execution of the agreement of sale, full stop, as admittedly the respondent had failed to tender rent to the appellant. The eviction order passed against him by the rent controller was fully justified, full stop. I would therefore, allow this appeal, set aside the judgment of the learned single judge of the High Court and restore the order passed by the rent controller, full stop. There will be no order as to costs, full stop.